Can I file a claim for hail damage? The answer is most of the time. It's a qualified maybe. In Florida, believe it or not, we have hail almost every year. Usually it's around February or March, but with the seasons changing and El Nino and everything else, we don't know when it's gonna be, but it happens pretty regularly. Now, hail can damage roofs by virtue of fracturing the matting and removing the asphalt, making your roof last a little bit less than it normally would. It can damage gutters, it can damage screens, it can damage air conditioning units outside by putting dents in the fins. All of these things to find are my job. My name is Robert Mack and I'm a public loss adjuster. My goal would be to go on your roof, find hail damage, check the gutters, check the AC, check every possible place that hail could have damaged, create a comprehensive list and send it to your insurance company. It's a lot easier than you trying to do it, and it's a lot different than the insurance company doing it for you because my job is to look out for your best interest. If you have any questions or thoughts, please give me a call. The number's listed below, or drop me an email and I'll be happy to walk you through it.